So ladies, thank you so much. Today I wanted to go through and just kind of show some of these Olivia Hayward earrings. I have been purchasing her earrings over the last year. I love, she comes out with little groups. So this was part of one of her collections. There might still be some there. A lot of times they come and go so fast because once you've worn her earrings and felt how light they are and how beautiful they are, and get comments all the time. My first few earrings, absolutely love these Olivia Haywards. Now, I have a code down below that gets you as a first-time subscriber to her channel and to her website. It will give you a little bit of a discount on them. Each one of her earrings has a specific name for them, and if you go ahead and like and subscribe to hers, she will start putting you on her list for her VIP customers, and then she sends you a message when she's going to send those out and when she's going to put them out onto her website, because they're gone very fast. Another one that came out, I think this was another one of them that came out when I got this set here. I actually just ordered 2 new ones that I have, and then I'm going to get you a couple more. I'll be right back. So here's a couple more. This was one that I got. I actually have this on a video. It's very similar to this pattern, and that's really why I ended up choosing these. But I love these colors. They're my colors. They're very pretty pale pink with whites, and it's just so interesting how she makes them. You know, I was always a crafter, but I just have not had time to do things like that. Oops. And when I first came across her, it was through another Mary Kay girl. And I loved her earrings and said, how did you get those earrings? And then she happened to talk about them. This is a brand new pair. I haven't even worn them yet. And I don't know if she has a name on here. A lot of times on her cards, she'll put the name. It doesn't have it. I should write them down, but I don't pay attention to that because once I pick them out, I just wear them. But these are about the same length, but they have a lot of neutral, kind of natural colors. I love this. I have another one of the same group, but it has a whole different pattern on it. And then, of course, I have these fun little ones. I like to wear these when I'm cleaning pools because they're just lightweight. They're little, but they have a lot of little sparkle to them, and I absolutely love these. She also has some that are just circles. I have not gotten any of those, but I'm going to for my nieces the next time. And then, of course, this is part of that same collection that came out right here at the beginning or the middle of May, or middle of April, maybe the 1st of April. I noticed there's still a couple on her website right now, so you could go to that. It's Olivia Hayward, H-E-Y, and you can use my code. Make sure you get that down below. So these are my other ones. I have a few more, but they're all more when it's winter and we're wearing sweaters and things like that. But I just thought I would come on and kind of show you my little collection. I have, sorry, it's my husband. Don't ask me where he's at, but it's beeping. So, ladies, I just wanted to come on and show you some of the collections and just kind of give her a shout out. We like to all support each other, and Olivia's earrings, if you've worn them once, you're going to love them. So have a fabulous day. We'll see you later. This is going to come out this probably tomorrow. I'm going to have this put on. So we'll see. Have a great day.